Hello, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Hope you all are fit and healthy at your home. I'm Sandhya Patel, your class 5th mathematics teacher from St. Mary High School. We have already started chapter number 3, that is how many squared. We have discussed in our last session that in this chapter we are going to see what is perimeter and what is area. In last session we have completed till page number 34, right? In that we have seen that measure this red square. Then after we have seen that what is perimeter. Perimeter is the length of the boundary is called perimeter. And then I have told you the formula of finding perimeter of a rectangle. The formula for finding perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth, right? I have told this formula to you. And I have also told you the formula for finding perimeter of the square. The formula for finding perimeter of square is 4 into length of a side. Why length of a side? Because we know that in square all the four sides are of equal length. So for finding the perimeter of a square, the formula is 4 into length of a side. Now let's see what is given ahead in your textbook. Now carefully observe this picture. In this picture, there are number of stamps given. The total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 stamps are given. Now let's see what we have to do with this stamp. What is given? Let's see. Look at this interesting stamps. In this what is written? Let's read. Stamp D covers 12 square. Its square is of side 1 centimeter. So the area of stamp D is 12 square centimeter. Let's quickly check whether the stamp D is covering 12 square or not. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Yes, the stamp D is covering 12 square. So what is written ahead? The square is of side 1 centimeter. We have measured in our previous class that the side of the square was 1 centimeter, right? So the area of the stamp D is 12 square centimeter. Now the question is, what is area? We have seen that perimeter, right? The perimeter was the length of the outer boundary, but the question is, what is area? What is the meaning of area? See, when you consider this stamp, the internal region is known as area. The outer boundary is known as perimeter and the internal region of a shape is known as its area. So therefore the area of this stamp D is 12 square centimeter. And one more thing, whenever you write a area, the unit of area is square centimeter, or you can also write centimeter square, right? So this is the unit of area. See the formula for finding area of a rectangle. You can see that the stamp is of rectangle shape. First write the formula of finding area of a rectangle. Write in a notebook that the formula for finding area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. What is the formula for finding area of the rectangle? It is length into breadth. This thing you have to remember and you have to write in a notebook. Whenever you are asked to find a area of any given rectangle, you have to use this formula. And one more formula. The formula for finding the area of a square is equal to, what will be the formula? Formula will be length into length, that is L square. Okay, this is the formula for finding area of the square, and the unit I have just told you that it will be square centimeter. If it is given in centimeter, then it will be square centimeter. If it is given in meter, then it will be square meter. So I hope this thing are clear to you all. Now let's see what question is given ahead. Question number A. How many squares of 1 centimeter side does stamp A cover? So we have to count that stamp A covering how many number of square? So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So what you will write? You will write here that the stamp A is covering total number of 18 square of 1 centimeter side. This thing you have to write in a notebook. Now let's see for stamp B. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So how many square the stamp AB is covering? It is covering total 8 square. So this thing again you have to write in a notebook. Now let's see question number B. What is given? Which stamp has the biggest area? Now we have to find that which of the stamp is having the biggest area. So we know what we have to do. We have just count that stamp A is covering 18 squares and stamp B is covering 8 square. So obviously the stamp A is having more number of squares. It will be having the biggest area, right? Now let's write that stamp A has biggest area because it has 18 squares. Now let's see the next question. How many squares of side 1 centimeter does it stamp cover? So it is given that we have to write that how many number of square of side 1 centimeter does the stamp A is covering. So we have count it, right? So we will write that this stamp has 18 squares of side 1 centimeter. This you will write in a notebook. Now let's see the next question. How much is the area of biggest stamp? You have to write the answer in square centimeter. Now I have just told you the formula for finding the area. What is the formula for finding area? It is of rectangle shape. So which formula we will use? We will use formula of finding the area of rectangle. So formula was length into breadth. So what is the length? Let's see, this is the length, right? This will be the length and this will be the breadth. So let's see, count how many squares are there. 1, 2 and 3. So you will write 3 into how many squares are there in breadth? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you will write 6. Now 3 into 6 will be 18. 3 into 6 will be 18. 80 meter square centimeter. So this thing you will write. This whole solution you will write in a notebook that the biggest stamp is in the shape of rectangle and the formula for finding the area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth, and then after that you will put the value that is 3, that is length, and 6, that is breadth, and 3 into 6 will be 18 square centimeter. So I hope this thing is clear. Now let's see the next question, that is C. Which two shapes have the same area? Which two stamps have the same area? Now we have to see that which of the given stamps is having the same area. This is having 18 centimeter, right? 18 square are there. In this there are 8. In this we have count there are 12. Now let's count the C1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right? It is having 6. This is 1, 2 and 3 and 4. For F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. C is having 6 square. This is having 12 square. This is having 4 square and this is having 12 square. So which is having the same number of square? That is stamp D and F. So what you will write? The stamp D and F is having the same area. Now let's see the next question, that is how much is the area of each of the stamp blank square centimeter. Now we have to find the area of the stamp D and of F. So we know, so let's use the formula for finding the area. So what was the formula for finding area for rectangle? It was length into breadth. So let's first find for area of stamp D, that is L into B. What is the length? This is 3. And what is breadth? There are 4 squares. So breadth is 4. Now 3 4s is 12 centimeter, right? So 12 centimeter square is the answer. And for F, again formula is length into breadth. Again keep the value of length and breadth. Here length is 4, right? 4 square are there, and for breadth there are 3. So 4 into 3 will be 12 centimeters. So they both are having the same area. So this thing you again have to write in a notebook. I hope this is clear. Now let's see the question number D. The area of smallest stamp is blank square centimeter. Now we have to find the area of the smallest stamp. So we have counted the number of square, right? We have seen that E is having only 4 square. So let's again use the formula, that is area of, now write the area of smallest stamp is 4 square centimeter. The formula for finding area is of rectangle is length into breadth. Length is 2 and breadth is also 2. So 2 twos are 4 and it is 4 centimeter square. Now let's see what is next question given. The difference between the area of the smallest and the biggest stamp is blank square centimeter. Now we have to find that what is the difference between the area of the biggest stamp and the smallest stamp. For finding difference, what we have to do, we have to subtract the area of the biggest stamp and the area of the smallest stamp. So let's do it. So what you will write in this way. Area of the biggest stamp is 18 centimeter square and area of the smallest stamp is equal to 4 centimeter square. Then the difference between the area of smallest and biggest stamp is equal to 18 minus 4. 18 minus 4 will be 14. And you have to, and make sure that you write the unit as well. So 14 centimeter square. So the difference between the smallest stamp and the biggest stamp is 14 centimeter square. The solution, that way I have told you have to write in a notebook. So I hope this all things are clear to you all. I hope what is area is clear to you all, how you are going to find the area of the given stamps. I have also told you the formula for finding the area of a rectangle as well as formula for finding square, right? So this thing you have to remember. Now in our next class we will see what is given ahead in our textbook. So for today this much only. Thank you so much.